We are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks.